Уважаемые дамы и господа, менее чем через...
Dear ladies and gentlemen, less than in 2 weeks, on the 18th of May, will be a very symbolic date for the Crimean Tatar people, the anniversary of deportation of Crimean Tatar and genocide, the 70th anniversary, and we have certain fears regarding this matter. On the 16th of May, in Opera Theatre, the Requiem on state level will be held. I think all will be held safely, but we have certain fears regarding the event that can happen in Crimea. There are few possible scenarios. First is that government will try to make it its way, which means that there will be the representative of occupying authorities presented. Maybe the Putin speech will be read on how he cares about the Crimean Tatars and how they will live happily under the governing of Russian authorities. In this case, excesses are very possible. For example, in Crimea, people can throw eggs or anything that gets in hands in officials, and consequently, the intrusion of security structures is possible. The provocators can appear, or 30 to 40,000 of people can gather with Russian flags. In this case, also excesses are possible with the intrusion of security structures. Third variant is that Crimean Tatars will come out with national flags and Ukrainian flags. And you know that Russian authorities react on Ukrainian flag just like Bulls react on red rag. The fourth option also is not excluded here.